June 1st, 2009. Got another one of those overcast days, aka June gloom. Of course, let's see if we could cold start the Briggs & Stratton. Guaranteed to start. Out of the way. Okay. Choke. Lift. She doesn't idle well until it warms up. Okay, now the Tecumseh powered Toro with the loose spark plug. See if it runs to give a little prime for a good time. First full. Of course, it's kept in a warm garage. Now let's see if this weed whacker will start. On. Pump it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Choke. Shut her down.